What's up, collective? Welcome back to the channel. Focus on building your own business. That might be relevant. It's on the TV. Okay, somebody has a 9 of Cups. Someone could be a water sign. Cancer in reverse could be having a Tower. Somebody with major Cancer placements. Legal matters are not working out. Someone needs to travel for legal matters or doesn't want to travel, or maybe legal matters are finished for someone, so they're traveling. You could be far apart from this person. Someone could be in a 4 of Swords because someone is far apart from them and has moved away, a Cancer energy. And now they're having a wrecking ball. Somebody doesn't want to serve justice, but they're guilty. They could be moving around. They could be on the run here with the traveling. They don't want to go to court, but they're going to get arrested with the 4 of Swords, or something. Somebody's put to rest. Something is resting. Somebody is alone here. Somebody could have had a car accident too. Somebody could be getting arrested for causing a car accident with some wickedness. Give me something for this Chariot in reverse. What happened here? Somebody's not having success. Something got out of control. I see loss. I just saw loss. What's going on with the Chariot in reverse? Somebody cannot relax. Maybe a Gemini energy. Gemini, Cancer. Okay, because somebody's getting good news, so they can't reach their goals. And they don't have a blessing because somebody's getting good news. These people are too reliant on other people and what's to come for other people. That's why they're in this situation. They need to worry about their damn self. They can't disturb somebody. They're trying. They're not reaching their goals of disturbing people. They're not reaching their goal of disturbing your relaxation. We have Taurus, Leo, and Gemini could be significant. More signs will come out and more messages will come out. Somebody is resting. Someone is focused. We have Cancer again. And Aries could be significant. Someone is not worried about someone else and giving them libation and prayer. They're not donating anything to them. They're getting good news about real estate. They're getting good news about an investment, a home of any sort. Any sort of home. Somebody's getting good news about it. Somebody could be moving in together. Okay, there's 2 people here. Some kind of letter or message about a home or something, investing in something. Someone is not scared. Someone wants to rob somebody. Look right here. Somebody want to rob. Didn't I tell you about home invasion earlier? Okay, somebody wants to rob someone here. But somebody is not scared or should not be scared. Because this person is not getting any libation or prayer or nothing. They're not getting anything. So whatever they do is going to quickly come back to them. This person is exploiting something. They could be doing something through a television. They want to indulge. Scorpio could be significant. Virgo, Libra, Cap. They want somebody to vow to them, to worship them. They want somebody to wish for them, to want them, so that they can interact with them. They want to do this at somebody's house, but somebody's not stressed. And that's what they need. They need people in a low vibrational, stressful state because the mask is off. So nobody is stressing about anything. People know what these people are doing. Ancestor is showing what is going on. Okay, we have Scorpio. Gemini could be significant. They cannot bully somebody because Ancestor is keeping things stable. They cannot gossip about you. They can't spread rumors about you. It's not working. Yeah, Taurus could be significant. So it's just not working. It's putting this person, it's going to get this person arrested. Somebody here is taking a long time to get arrested because they keep doing something here with the Chariot in reverse. Somebody keeps doing something, keeps making something get out of control. And it could be something that's moving. But from what I see here, give me something for this Four of Swords. From what I see here, somebody is traveling to arrest somebody, maybe, because this is somebody you could have gotten out of a third-party relationship with. You have Libra. Somebody could have Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, Libra, Cap, or Aries. This person is, nothing is original about them, and they're losing their vitality. They cannot bind you, and they're having nightmares, maybe from far apart. From far away. They're having nightmares from far away. They're suffering. This causes their suffering. Again, ancestors fucking them up. Okay? They can't get somebody to contract with them about anything. They're homeless, child. But it's mainly because this person won't take any advice. It's because they won't obey something, some sort of rules here. We have Leo, Taurus could be significant. Sagittarius or Pisces could be significant. They cannot relax, again, because they want to take something. This person is a psychopath, all right? They want to fight with you. They want conflict. That's why they're homeless. Pisces could be significant. Somebody wants to bring someone flowers, okay? Kanga, okay? Maybe Empress energy. Somebody wants to bring Empress energy some flowers. Yeah, she might be surprised. She looks surprised. Yeah, she looks very surprised. It could be raining where you are. Okay, somebody wants something about shelter is significant. A tower is not down on this, whatever this is here. There's no, they're having a tower right by this tower card. Their tower attempts on us is not working. This shows me they're trying to put a tower on Kanga behind her back, and maybe the baby. Okay, somebody and their baby. Oh, yeah, they can't clean something up here. They can't feed nobody no garbage. Okay, they can't spoon feed somebody garbage. They can't sweep anything up here. Okay, somebody's happy. Somebody is happy. A window could be significant. Son, a child. We have children here. Happy. Somebody could have multiple children. Okay, they cannot feed the child something. Somebody gave something to the child. Or they can't do it. They can't get it done. Somebody wants to feed something to the child. Because they can't clean something up. So they got to sacrifice the child here. They're trying to get something in the child. They could be trying to poison the child spiritually, okay, with the spirits and the food. Yeah, they want the child passed out, okay? They want somebody passed out here. They could be doing this to a parent and a child, or two children. I see two children here, an older and a younger child, okay? They're not having no luck with the bed stuff because they're perverse and they're nasty. Yeah, the boy is still up, okay? This could be a teenager, or maybe 10 to 16 or something like that. All right, somebody's life is in reverse here. They're having a hard time. But they're trying to do something bad to children. Either in the bed or with the food. But all the kids are in the upright. Thank goodness. Because sometimes they come out in reverse. Okay, so what is this telling me is that there's serious prayer going on. There's serious acknowledgement and what's the word? Consciousness going on. You know, these people cannot invade us anymore. They're getting arrested, or they're being put to rest because they won't stop. These people are sick. Something is wrong with them. They're homeless. Give me something for homeless. Maybe somebody with Leo placements. It doesn't have to be. It can be. 53 or 35 could be significant. It doesn't have to be. Okay. Again, if you're not a karmic, I'm very sorry if you lost your home. If you are a karmic, maybe this is a lesson for you. But even if you're not a karmic, when I lost my home, I learned lessons. I just had to learn a lesson. I had to learn a lesson. Somebody is not jealous, okay, because you're a snack. Somebody is not jealous of you. They like that you're a snack. Somebody wants a child. Look, somebody, look, oh my God, right over the boy too. Okay? These people are crazy. Somebody's lusting after children. But I also see that somebody is not jealous of you and they think you're a snack. Somebody's thinking about you in a sexual way, I see here. But they're also doing it to children. Somebody cut off their ex. Somebody might need to get some advice about a national park or a park. I just seen homeless shelter. So somebody might be looking to stay at a, like, when people have homes in the park, they might be looking to do something like that. Tea could be significant. A fashion designer could be significant. Portland could be significant. Somebody might need to tell the truth. A Virgo. Tea. Jasmine. J. Tea. Something is not your fault, but they're saying it is. They're over emotional here. A female family member. And again, insurance claim adjuster is back out. Someone's getting surprise love offer. This is back out again. Okay, these people are possessed. Anybody's name could start with J. A place could start with P. Somebody's over emotional. A water sign. We do have Cancer in reverse. Okay, this family member could be blaming something on somebody, but it's not your fault. They're possessed. They could have been trying to possess an insurance claim adjuster. But somebody keeps blaming somebody who's recovering and healing from pain. Somebody doesn't know what else to do. They could be also getting spell work done on them to blame you. Somebody could be forcing someone to blame you with spell work. Brainwashing them. Convincing them it's your fault. Some garbage. What's going on with insurance claim adjuster? Why is it back out? Somebody made a bad decision regarding this insurance claim adjuster. Maybe a Libra or a Cancer. Yeah, somebody's going to the pit. This insurance claim adjuster could have been a Virgo, maybe. So a Virgo could have did something to this person, or a fire sign. Again, somebody is healing. We have Libra strong here. This insurance claim adjuster could have been an earth sign or an earth air maybe. Okay, somebody's going to the pit for what they did to this insurance claim adjuster. Somebody's name could start with J. Anybody. They could be a fire sign or an air sign. Fire, air. Somebody's obsessed with sacrificing Virgo, Capricorn energy. Something was going on here with the clothes off. They were watching this person. Somebody with Aquarius in reverse was watching this person and then attaching to this person here and sending them to this person's energy. Again, doing rituals. We have lower earth energy strong and air strong in reverse. Leo in reverse. Somebody's health is bad here. They needed this person's health. Maybe a fake ass King of Wands needed this person's health. Scorpio, Sag. They're bothering a high priestess as well. Okay, an empress that was recovering. We have Taurus and Cancer. So any of these people, they could try to possess, or they are possessed themselves. And they're over emotional, or somebody could have been over emotional. Maybe an empress, or maybe somebody's emotional over this oath. It's not working out for them. Yeah, they're confused, okay? Somebody could have sacrificed someone, but the child is still alive. They're trying to confuse somebody. The insurance claim adjuster, they made an oath to confuse this person and take them out. Maybe a female family member joined these people in doing this. A water sign in reverse, okay, who needs energy. They could be doing something to fire signs. This fire sign up here could be doing something to, they usually take out people who are their same signs. They're being investigated. This could be the insurance claim adjuster. Like I said, they could be Virgo. This is somebody who's looking into something. In the last reading about this, they're trying to pay somebody to keep something out of the public eye. What did they do to this person? They're trying to have sex with this person. Or they're doing something to the person's child. Give me something. Yeah, this Virgo in reverse, okay? Someone could be a Leo Virgo. Again, this insurance claim adjuster could be a male or a feminine. They could be an earth sign or a water sign. Or a Libra. Ancestor just popped out. Okay, somebody keeps trying with this person's ancestors here. They want success. They don't want to give up. They don't want to stop. Even though they're wounded and ancestors are beating the out of them maybe. Okay, they're lying. They're doing something here with demons and devils here. With this Aquarius, Scorpio energy, fire energy won't stop stalking somebody's choices, somebody's reconciliation. They won't stop stalking it. It's like they're doing the same thing they do to us, to the insurance claim person. Give me something on this female family member. They just want to take from everybody. They're robots because they have a spirit on them that does the same thing over and over. These people don't have any self. They can't change. They can't do something different. It's the spirit doing the same. Demons or spirits are trapped in doing the same rotating and are doing the same thing over and over again. That's hell. They're just in hell in somebody's body, but they're still in hell. Now this person is also in hell because they're doing the same thing over and over like the spirit because they're possessed by it. That's why these people do the same thing over and over, because the spirit doesn't do anything else but the same thing over and over again. That's like punishment for being so wicked. This person is trying to avoid a death by being a criminal here. This Scorpio, Sag, and Aquarius. Okay, they can't sacrifice anybody though. And they just keep trying. Aquarius, Scorpio, Sag, Taurus, Aries could be significant. They're lazy, somebody here. They're a spiritual whore, somebody here. The group is just a sex cult here. That's having a painful ending. And then we're going to be able to walk into our Wheel of Fortune. Okay, once these people go where they gotta go. 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords. It's just bad. It's an ending for them. This female family member is doing things with these people, maybe. Yeah. They could be using them to try to... That's all they do, is just use people to try to interfere with... what they're doing, what they're trying to accomplish. These people, all they do is wake up and sacrifice people. Somebody's in the energy every day. Every day. They don't know what else they can't do, nothing else. A male family member could be in the energy every day. Okay, they could be lying about children they have. Someone could be Jewish. This is back out. Someone could be Jewish. Doesn't have to be. There is somebody who keeps using this Leanne Rimes spirit to attach to people. This person is trapped in, I don't know what this thing did to this other thing, but this thing can't get out of it. They're stuck in the same loop, doing the same thing over and over again. They just keep trying to use these spirits to attach to people, and it doesn't work. It's like somebody doesn't, it's like none of these things understand that what they do is not working anymore. They just keep, because again, the spirit in them keeps repeating over and over. The spirit in them will just keep until they're gone. Until they're gone. What happened to this spirit that keeps repeating itself? What happened to this person? The divine one said something needs to come out about what happened to this person. Since they keep coming in the energies, the divine says they want to be exposed. Proceed. Proceed. Aries, Leo, Pisces, Libra, Cap, Sag, Pisces, a doctor could be relevant. 47, Scorpio could be significant. Somebody was raped. Last year, maybe. K keeps coming out. Or somebody did, or somebody was raped, or somebody doing it. Birthday could be significant. Birdie. LLL is here. You. Something is creepy. Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Aries. I'm sorry, Taurus, Virgo, could be creepy. A puppy. OD, somebody could have OD'd on something. Creepy, creeper, bird crap. A low-key, okay? So whatever this thing is here, it's got a low-key demon attached to it, and they could be trying to bind someone. This could be ear. Ear is kind of here. They could be trying to bind someone with this low-key demon and this other person. Tove is here. This person could be doing spell work. Tove Lo, the whole name. Very relevant. Could be doing something. Scorpio energy won't get out the energy. Won't stop doing this. Even if they see their name, they still gonna keep doing it. That's why the fire is gonna catch on them. And that's it. Tuxedo is here. They could have attached something to somebody's tuxedo. Eddie. Eddie is this thing's wife, husband or whatever. Could have something to do with that. Cody. Collar. So they attached a Loki demon to the collar of the person, the collarbone, the tuxedo collar. Okay. These people are going to go to prison for doing this. Purdy is here. A lot is here. A parking lot. Somebody is living in a parking lot maybe, or staying in a parking lot, camping in a parking lot. Again, National Park came out. They could be, I don't know, homeless. Homeless came out. Okay, and then it's like you can lose what you have and they still, that's why there's no mercy granted on these people, because you're losing what you have and you're still doing it. You're still doing this. Somebody could be using bird crap in their spell work. Lupe is here. Party is here. Party is relevant. Cups. A water sign could be significant. Somebody raped somebody at a party and could have attached a low-key demon to them through somebody else. If they didn't know, if they weren't intentionally doing it, they could have. Again, these people, when they want to get something attached to you through sex, they could take it. Or they can make somebody take it. They can make that person do it with spell work. They can make them do it because the other person that's attached to them wants your energy. They want to attach them. These people are collective. These people are sick. Okay? Obsessed is here. Obsessed. They're obsessed. This is unreal how obsessed these people are. It's unreal. It's unheard of. Aiko is here. A dike is here. Dike, the word dike. Pile of something. Pile of coke. Okay. Khaled is here. Somebody's plotting in a parking lot. That the town could be here. Pokey, Bradley, Loki, Rep is here. Repeat is here. Repeat. Yeah, repeat. That's what I'm telling you. That's what they're doing. They're making these things repeat something over and over. And that's why they're going to catch fire. That's why they're going to catch fire. Purdue is significant. I think that's in Indiana. Purdue is in Indiana. This is like a college campus. I saw this earlier. It could be significant. It could be. Purdue chicken, but I think it's a university. That's what I think it is here. Blood clot could be significant. Blood clot is here. Rot. Yeah. Dee, Cody. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Take over. Took over. Okay, somebody took over. Somebody took over somebody here. Took over body. Took over body. Low-key took over body. Okay. Very creepy somebody here. Somebody's very creepy, very nosy. Very nosy and doing things on purpose. Okay. That's why they're going to be in the fire, catching fire here. Somebody's very nosy. A Libra. Their initials could be here. They're going to jail. There's a Libra whose initials are here. They're going to jail. Maybe it has something to do with their worshiping of something. Okay, maybe they're a little obsessed with it. Okay, somebody could have air fire placements. A fire disaster is going to happen to this person. This is what keeps coming out. Okay, like an explosion. They could have caused this. It could come back to them. Copy is here. Copycat. Copy link. Copy something. Cupboard. They could be sending a low key to somebody's cupboard in their kitchen. Yes, they do this. That's why they're going to catch fire and go to jail. They're going to catch fire and go to jail. Pookie, Kiki, problem. Diplo could be significant. Loop. Loops. Maybe a loop cereal, like a Fruit Loops or Cheerios or something. Okay, that's what I see here. Cuddle up. Somebody wants to cuddle up. Took over. Clarify low-key took over body. Clarify low-key took over body. TV, cuddle up in by the TV. Somebody wants to cuddle up by the TV. Someone may be experiencing some sort of worry or need, and they're resistant to change. This could be anybody. They're insecure. They could be having financial loss, but they won't change. Somebody here, they just want to, wow, okay, they want to really, really sacrifice somebody. Somebody keeps returning to really, really sacrifice someone here. We have Taurus. Anybody could be Taurus, Scorpio, or Pisces. Anybody could be those signs, okay? So just be aware. Okay, there's a King of Wands here that's stalking the Ten of Cups family here. This person looks like a leader, but they're not. They're very hasty. This one here likes to stalk Ten of Cups. Okay, they have a problem. You could be a Scorpio, Sag, in the upright, but this person keeps trying to sacrifice people. Maybe a Taurus, Aries as well. That's good. Okay, that's going to get justice. They're doing this too. Okay, they want to overindulge with this person. They want to interact with them for their new beginning with this Queen of Wands. Somebody wants to attach to positive water, fire energy. Somebody here, again, this King of Wands is in a negative, and they want to attach to this positive water, fire energy, this positive Libra energy. They could have these placements and be stalking them. A child as well. Okay. This Page of Pentacles could be stalking a Virgo, Libra with this Knight of Wands. They just can't leave people alone. They want somebody's clarity, sharpness, their justice. They want their kindness, their sharpness, their intelligence, their focus, their determination. Because they're very impatient. They don't have, they just have to keep taking. These people just, they don't have the patience to build this self-esteem that they need to build. Yeah, that's why they're going to serve justice, and we're going to get our wish fulfillment, because they're being criminals. They're not connecting and choosing the right path. They're hustling, and they keep doing it a lot. They keep gearing up every day to do this, but it's for the worst. This is somebody gearing up for the worst. Fire again, Cancer and Virgo, going to go to jail. Okay, we have King of Wands again and Emperor again. They could be doing this to parents, fathers, leaders that have positive fire placements and water placements. So there is a King of Wands in the upright, a Scorpio, Sag in the upright, and Aries in the upright. They came out again. It is also in reverse. They could be looking to swap with this person, and they're paranoid. Somebody is planning something. Somebody with Aries placements. They feel burdened. Somebody feels burdened. They want to complete something, but somebody's judgment is in reverse. So they walked away from them to heal. You have Pisces, Aries, Libra. Walking away from someone to heal so that they can plan something. Again, travel keeps coming out. Okay. There's Gemini fire that's maybe causing some problems in someone's life. They're making very bad choices and they won't commit to this person, but they still want to attach to this person. They still want to cause pain for this person. They want to stop this person from moving on or recovering. So it's a problem. It's because they don't have choices, but it's also because they're attached to the devil is why they don't have choices. It's not anyone's fault here why they don't have choices, but their own. They won't release the devil. They just want to keep stalking somebody who could be traveling to someone, maybe to their family. Okay. They won't stop. They're in a state of poverty. Okay, they're walking away from a rebirth here, which means they're walking into an ending. That's what the card means. It's either an ending or a new beginning. An accident could have happened to someone. Jungle could be significant. An adult male who's possessed or possessive. Someone could have also been attacked by an animal. Tokyo is here. Druk. Explode. Something exploded. Something exploded. A door could have blown off or something, a car door or something. Again, this person keeps putting their song titles. This person, I'm not sorry. This person is sacrificing people for their album. Beyonce, please get out of this collective energy. Please go away. Go away. I keep seeing her song titles in here. Cozy and Cuffed or whatever this nonsense is. Dolph is here. Could be significant. Dope or Dole could be significant as well. But this person keeps trying to throw their music and throw. This person cannot let go of whatever they got with this music thing. It's like an obsession and they want people to have loss for it. And I'm telling you, I feel very strongly that this person is attaching demons to people so that they can have success with this. And it's ridiculous. Please get out the energy. You're ridiculous. You're ridiculous. These people are gone. They don't have any shame or anything. They don't even care that they do. They don't care if people know they do this shit. They don't care. I'm telling you. And people keep supporting this garbage. They keep supporting it. They keep supporting it. I must have seen this word cozy in here every time. This person just they got the letter bag probably in a jar spell or some garbage. Okay. Even spell is here. Spell is here. Dove is here. But they're doing something so that their stuff keeps coming out. They want to subconsciously brainwash people through people's channels. That's why you're catching fire. And nobody, I'll keep it. Nobody's going to go and listen to it. Stop wasting your time. All you're doing is like, these people are just self-destructing when they do this. It's destroying them because it doesn't work. This is not a way to market. This is not a way to expose, yourself. This is exploiting. It's robbery and it's theft. And it's insecurity. It's a lack of talent. It's a lack of marketing skills. Could be a lack of money too. Clarify exploded, please. Somebody wants something to explode here. Or they did. Body. Somebody body. They want somebody body to explode. Ciao. A Taurus in reverse. Because somebody walked away from them. And they're healing. We have Libra, Pisces, Taurus could be significant. Could have any of these placements. Gemini is a psychopath too. Stalking Taurus, Aries. Okay. Somebody has to get blocked here. Somebody's protecting their family from these monsters. They cannot sacrifice anybody. They're staying in reverse where they belong. They want something to explode here. Chariot came out in reverse. Could be a car. Could be somebody's body. Rover could be significant. Maybe a rover. New York City could be significant. New Jersey. Is there a J here? Maybe. Something close to New York. Cancer and Leo in reverse here. They planned something, this fire sign. We have fire, Scorpio, water. They could be planning something and these people want something to explode. Because they're sick. They're stalking this person going to somebody here. Maybe the family. Or somebody they want to be with. Like somebody they want to be with. But they're protecting and blocking this explosion. Ancestors are too. Ancestors know you're trying to make something explode with somebody's vehicle or body. Maybe a child too. This Virgo in reverse here. Fire in reverse. Can't make it up. People in the public eye struggling. Using this Queen of Wands as a front man. They could be using this Queen of Wands as a front man, but it's really them behind it. Leo, Virgo in reverse. Okay, trying to hold up towers here. Overcommitted to the devil. They could want something to happen to somebody's car, a Scorpio or a Cancer. This Emperor in reverse. This Scorpio, Libra in reverse. And this Aquarius and Virgo, willing to do anything for this person, this Scorpio, Cancer, or somebody else over here. Wish fulfillment. They want somebody's car to explode. That's why the divine is catching fire on these. They're going to catch fire. They're going to catch fire from the divine. Ancestors know what you're doing. So when you catch fire, you'll know why. Becky is here. Boil. Lard. Clark. Lark. Buzz. Celeb is here. Again, I keep seeing revolt as well. Again, more businesses that are doing spell work and sacrificing people. And when you support this, they're doing it to you too. Lori, Dory, Zori, 43 could be significant. Bio, Del, Dirt, Dirks, Derp, Derpa, Pedo, be right back. Beyonce, Bronze, Bronzer. No, you're not making any bronzer off of us. Red is here. Cut off. These people just want, all they do is when they want something to go well for their business, they start taking from other people. They don't try to develop it. They don't have faith. They don't have any blessings. There's no wish fulfillment. So it's like they have to take other people's, and this is what these people do. When you see, I really believe when you see these people succeeding like this, from nothing, they go from nothing to an entire, okay? Where did that come from? Blood. Blood is here. Bloody contract. Raping somebody at a party, making somebody rape somebody at a party so they could take their wish fulfillments. There's a lot of time that goes into this witchcraft and these altars. There's a lot of time. But the divine is burning them all down. The divine is burning these altars down. I just think that they don't want to overwhelm the police, the fire departments. But it's happening. It's the only way to get rid of these things is with fire. To burn them down to ashes. And then maybe they will stop. Maybe 1 out of 10,000 maybe will stop doing this. Because as you can see, some of these people are homeless and still doing it. Again, it's just crazy. Bottled. Yeah, bottles is here. Bottled. Baby bottles maybe. Or some type of bottles here. Peroxide. Peroxide bottles. That's what you're supporting when you support these people. Doing harmful things with peroxide bottles. Some people, maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a good thing you could do with peroxide bottles. Maybe there's a good thing you can do with it, but I don't know if these people are doing that. I don't think bad people are doing good things with peroxide jar spells and bottles and nonsense. Bleach bottles too. Bleach is here. The A is missing, but bleach is here. It's almost the same, close to the same chemical. Bread is significant. One more word. Python. Azrael. Ariel. Cut. Boil. Roy. Booty cut. Booty cut shorts or something. That's your reading.